Hello everyone, here's some more nighttime footage for you. And we had rain, and whenever it rains, the same entities appear over and over as they have been doing since December of 2020. And it's very interesting because I did the experiment of wiping my fingers on the lens because I talked about this before, how life exists in a drop of water underneath the microscope, and some of these orbs, some of these souls, etc., I do believe exist in water, waters of life, Genesis, and I have prior videos on this. But this time when I wiped the lens, the entity was still there. And this happened prior to my daytime video that I have up online. And when I wiped the lens, it was still there as well. And I'm baffled because this is just a big mystery. How does it exist and where does it exist? Is it underneath the glass itself? Because this happens when I have the lens flares during the daytime as well. And I thought they sit directly on the lens, and now I could be wrong. And I thought they were all existing in a drop of water, and now I'm wrong. So whenever I'm wrong, I try to rethink everything and rack my brains and, well, let's see what, I don't even know if I can solve this mystery, because this is otherworldly, and I go with what they give us. So they are definitely telling us that they can exist anywhere, anytime, any place they feel like it, even underneath the glass itself, because on the Arlo camera, the HD ones, it's like a fisheye lens and it's curved. And I don't know, either they're existing outside of the lens somewhere and just projecting into the camera. Who knows? I do have one video that I took when this began that, a lot of people talk about poltergeists and ghosts, how they mess with electronics. And I had a video that completely got corrupted. And no matter how many times I tried to salvage the video that I took, it literally was, I wasn't meant to have that video. And I mentioned this before. And who knows? So many people talk about things mysteriously happening with TV sets, and the microwave door, as I showed before, was open with the turntable going. There's a lot of strange things that happen. I also have music that comes through the fan, as I call it, which is kind of like any white light noise, such as a noise machine or an air cleaner, or or a box fan or anything like that. I get music sometimes that plays out through there, which is incredible and freaky, but I love it. The music that comes from the other dimension or the other realm is pretty awesome. It's pretty incredible. Sometimes it's soft music, and sometimes it's like pop music or rock. It's coming from somewhere. And I've also heard other things come through the fan, such as the time that I heard what I believe is a battle cry from the angels. And we always talk about how we're in this war between light and dark, and I heard the battle cry. And I also mentioned this before. Anyway, YouTube is still censoring my channel. They're hiding my channel. But as much as I say I want to, many times I've thought about quitting because I feel like I'm getting nowhere, but I'm not a quitter, and I tell everyone the same thing: don't quit. Just hold your head up high and keep going. One foot in front of the other, no matter who tries to keep you down, right? We've been getting lots of thunderstorms here, bad weather, hazy skies. So this is why I'm focusing on the night activity, because I'm kind of left with no choice. I'm still hoping for those bright blue skies, but we hadn't had them that much this summer. So we'll see. The summer's not over yet, and I'm still hoping to get a lot of activity in the sky. And I do like doing this in the winter, because that way people know they're definitely not insects. Big hugs, everybody. Take care.